been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning, and guess what? Big surprise today, because I'm going to make some ketogenic donuts from the start, from scratch. So this is a sugar-free, low-carb, good fat dessert or a breakfast meal for the family and for anybody who just loves donuts. So without any further ado, if you're interested to see me make these fantastic little treats, please keep watching. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, some cinnamon, and for the first time I'm going to use this stevia organic 100% natural GM sweetener, which has got the organic erythritol, and it has absolutely no aspartame in this sweetener. Also, you're going to need some coconut spray in order to spray your donut tray. Now, if you don't have a donut tray, don't worry about it. You can use a muffin tray instead. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is, first of all, put in the butter and also the unsweetened almond milk, 2 eggs, also this is another really easy recipe. I'm just going to put in 2 tablespoons of the sweetener and about a teaspoon of the cinnamon. Oh, I forgot, and you also have to put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder. So now these go into the oven for around 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. They look a bit rustic, but that's okay. The proof is in the pudding once they come out, and we shall see how they work out. So keep watching. So my donuts have come out of the oven. Wow, and I'm going to flip them around. So the donuts have come out of the oven, and I'm going to turn them over. If you could only smell how great these donuts are. And as you can see, there's little holes in there that you can actually fill with whipped cream or mascarpone cheese or peanut butter, or just have them simply as is. I'd love to eat one right now, but the news is that I'm going to embark on a 7-day fast. For 7 days, I'm only going to be drinking water and coffee with a splash of cream. So today is Saturday. Next Saturday is when I shall eat again. So on that note, if you've enjoyed watching me make these delicious sugar-free, low-carb, ketogenic donuts, then please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Wow, these smell so good.